Hi, I'm Ann Stevens from Seattle, Washington, here at the Rheumatology Winter Clinical Symposium in Maui. I just gave a talk about the immunology of fibrosis. It's very important for us to understand as rheumatologists what the mechanisms of fibrosis are, because there are a bunch of really interesting new drug agents that may target these mechanisms. We talked about the induction of fibrosis, which is triggered by damage to endothelial and epithelial cells, about the inflammatory response, which includes innate and adaptive immunity, and then the fibrotic response, which is due to activation of myofibroblasts. Fibrosis occurs in a normal healing response, but in the case of a chronic fibrotic disease like systemic sclerosis or idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, this process does not turn off properly, in part because myofibroblasts do not undergo normal apoptosis and de-differentiation into normal fibroblasts, and they continue to produce this extracellular matrix components. We have some new agents that may be able to interact with different stages of fibrosis, including each of those stages I just mentioned. And then some old agents like tocilizumab, which interferes with IL-6 function, which it may help to regulate these fibrotic cells. Finally, the exciting new frontier of this field is stem cell therapy, which is being trialed in localized scleroderma disease and systemic sclerosis. There are a couple of companies now that are developing adipose-derived regenerative stem cell therapies that may be the promise for long-term treatment and remission of these diseases in the future. For more information, please go to rheumnow.com. Thank you.
I want to see your shoes. Ta-da, new shoes!